So a lot in this conference was about how to use data, and we have this overflow of data. So our group decided how we would use it in case we had it. So our major goal was to how to build and evaluate predictive models, how to make them useful in clinical practice as well as research. And what we found that there are several calculators, risk assessment calculators on the web. They were results of large studies being done on large cohorts, and we can no longer afford all of that. So how can we use electronic medical record data in an aggregate form, in a high quality form, in order to build these predictive models, and which predictive models would be most useful in clinical practice? So one application that we thought would be very important is that these predictive models would predict what clinicians need at the point of care. So they would display the information in the format and with the content that clinicians need. How can we get that? Well, of course, we need to aggregate a lot of data in terms of contents and as well as in terms of physician use. So thinking about that, we found that a lot of researchers needed at the whole spectrum. The spectrum of collecting the data, the database research, knowledge representation research, new algorithms always needed, new approaches to pattern recognize all of that, and a lot of work in human-computer interaction and understand the patterns of use and how we can display the right information at the right time, and over time collect outcomes to see that we've done the right thing. So our group was very brief in terms of recommendations, in which we also think that different groups can work on the same test bed. So from the data-based research, knowledge representation, and then use this data so that other groups can also develop better algorithms, and then yet another group can develop the display in all the human-computer interaction portions, and this all based on information from the EMR. So that's it.